In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in and start using Microsoft Copilot. By the end, you'll be confidently logged in and ready to explore what Copilot can do for you. First, open your preferred web browser. Google Chrome works great, but any modern browser will do. Head to the official Microsoft Copilot website. To make this quick and safe, I've placed the official link right at the top of the description so you don't have to search or worry about landing on the wrong page. Using the official link ensures you're on a secure, up-to-date site. Once the homepage loads, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and click the Sign In button. If your window is small or you're on a mobile device, you may need to scroll or slightly adjust your view to see it. Clicking Sign In will take you to the Microsoft account login page. Here, enter the email address associated with your Microsoft account. This could be an Outlook or Hotmail address, or any email you use with Microsoft. After typing your email, click Next. The page will guide you through the usual sign-in flow for your account. If you're already signed in on your browser, you may jump ahead automatically, which is normal and saves time. Next, you may be asked to complete a short setup. Fill in the required details: your name, your country or region, and your birth date. These fields help personalize your experience and keep your account information accurate. Be sure to use your real information, as it can assist with account recovery and regional settings. When you've entered everything, click Next to finish. If any field highlights in red, double-check the formatting. Sometimes the date or region format can cause small hiccups. After you complete sign-in and setup, you'll be redirected right back to Microsoft Copilot. You can start using it immediately. Begin by typing a prompt into the chat box. Ask questions, draft content, or explore ideas. If something doesn't load right away, give the page a moment to refresh. A quick browser reload can also help if your connection briefly hiccups. That's all you need to get started. For fast access in the future, you might keep the tab open while you work or pin it in your browser so it's always just a click away. And remember, the official website link is at the very top of the description for easy access anytime. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time with Microsoft Copilot.